My baby turned 2 months yesterday. I'm recording. My baby turned 2 months yesterday. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. I wants to cry. Baby. He started talking, doing some ooh, ooh, and squeezy, squeezy sounds. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, mm, ooh, ooh. Talk to me, baby. All right, you see him? I love this boy. Talk to me, baby. Say something. You missing your sister? You miss your sister, Jeannie? You miss her? Oh, I know. Don't get angry with her. She's so far away. Okay? She's so far. Ooh. Mm. Oh. Ooh. Mm. 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 Ooh. I said it. My baby is doing some cool sounds. He's giving me cool. Ooh, ooh, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. Baby, say something, baby. How was your day today? Was it great? What did you eat? Tell me, tell me, tell me. What did you eat? Oh, you had a bottle of milk? Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? Was it nice? Oh, I got it. It was nice, but it was not much. Okay? You have started taking how many ounces now? Yeah, yes, he's talking now. He's 2 months. He was 2 months yesterday. You see how big, handsome, and healthy he is, my darling boy. Now you can't be licking your mouth. This cannot be hunger. You just had something to eat just now. It can't be hunger, baby. It can't be hunger. Hello, big word. Hello, baby. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye? Wave. Bye-bye, camera. Ooh. 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 Bye, camera. Bye.